Hi everyone, this is for Lisa. Welcome back to Homebody. So in this video, I'm taking part in an open collaboration as hosted by Kenya's Decor Corner and ECLECTIC KRISTEN. The ladies asked that we pick a high-end product as the one you just saw in my introduction and create a duplication of that item. Now mind you that I am creating my own version of a glam pumpkin. A glam pumpkin such as the one that Zgallerie sells, ranging from $22 to $35 and up. Now, I purchased this pumpkin from Hobby Lobby for $2. I purchased my bling wrap from Hobby Lobby also for $2 for a package. I used 2 packages, so the price for this product maybe cost me around $6 plus some taxes. Now, I actually took my bling wrap and I just started peeling and sticking it around the circumference of my pumpkin. I did not cover the bottom section of the pumpkin for the sake of saving my bling wrap. Now I had already spray painted the stem of the pumpkin prior to the video for the sake of time. Now I'm just going to go ahead and peel and stick the bling wrap all around the pumpkin. Now I am going to run into a little small tiny brick wall, but I'm going to work my way around that. The problem is going to be that the bling wrap is not going to, actually I'm going to have to overlap a few sections of the bling wrap because the bling wrap is not going to fit perfectly in the corner, and it was a little hard to cut that bling wrap to be the perfect fit for the area that I'm going to need to cover. Nevertheless, the pumpkin came out super glam and I super love it. So basically I'm just sticking the bling wrap around the pumpkin, so I'm not going to talk throughout this video. I did speed the process up 2 times the normal speed limit. I wish I would have sped it up a little bit faster. I do apologize. This video may be about 8, 9, 10 minutes long. But anyway, if you have not stopped by Kenya or Kristen's channel, be sure you click on their links below. Also, be sure you click on the links to the other participants in the playlist. And I'm going to go ahead and let you guys go, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.